All right, you guys, I just wanted good morning, or evening, or afternoon, whenever you are watching this. I just wanted to do a few sun salutes. Let's start. I'm Valerie, yoga instructor. So we're gonna start with our feet forward, ankles right underneath the hip bones. A lovely smile greeting our mat today. Take a few breaths here. Breathing into spaces, maybe that have gone to the wayside, bringing some life back into those areas. On an inhale, let's sweep the arms all the way, extend them high overhead. Inhaling, reaching high. Exhale, let's swan dive into a forward bend. Hinging from our hips, we soften knees, let the head hang. With an inhale, let's sweep the arms overhead, reach high. Exhaling, adding a gentle back bend, pressing hips forward. Inhale, we lift and reach. Exhale, swan dive, hinging hips, sliding our feet back, downward facing. Dog, big hand. Coming into a plank, spiking the heels back. Lower down dog, inhale, lift, cobra. Setting back, child, pose. Back into our plank. Set the heels back, head hangs between the arms. Downward facing dog. Let's step feet towards the hands, meeting in our forward bend. Hands can grab opposite elbows. We gently rock side to side. With an inhale, let's sweep the arms overhead. Reach. Exhaling, back bend. Inhale, lift. Exhaling, hands come back to the side, mountain. Inhale, right arm sweeps high, left hand looks down. With an exhale, releasing that right arm, left hand inhales overhead. We can look up to the left hand, or we could take gaze down to the right hand. Clasping hands behind the back, pulling the fists down, we expand through the chest. Still feeling that rooted groundedness in our feet. Standing tall, engaging the feet, legs, and the core. Rounding, wrapping arms to hug a tree. We drop the head between arms, breathing. Nice arch in the back, navel's pulling to the spine. Inhaling, mountain pose. Inhale, sweep. Exhale, we swan dive, soften knees. Enough so the palms touch the mat. We slide the feet back, down dog. Pedaling out the feet, maybe noticing the heels getting a little bit closer to the mat this time. Taking the knees down, hands on your shoulders, arching the back for cat pose. With our inhale, lifting crown, tailbone reaches towards the crown, cow pose. It's hard to see in my face with all my hair, but my eyes are looking to the sky, shoulders are in their sockets. And we might just flow between the cat and the cow. Two more breaths. Exhaling into cat, inhale to cow, straight back, tuck toes down dog, half sun salute. It's a plank, lowering crocodile, lifting through the chest, we extend the legs long, cobra. Crown is lifted, soft elbows. You make sure that the shoulders are away from the ears here. Setting the rear back, knees come together, toes, big toes are together. Child's pose. Breathing, honoring this time on your mat for yourself here. Inhaling up to all fours, tucking toes. One last sun salute. It's a plank. Lowering crocodile. With the inhale, we lift the chest. Cobra, crown is reaching. Back to all fours. Sitting back, child's pose. Walking the hands up to the knees. Meet in our thunderbolt pose. Sliding a hip to the side. We meet at easy pose, cross legs. Hands rest on knees. Just enjoying our day, maybe coming to its quietness, meditation. We take our eyes closed and focus on the third eye. At about an inch between, or an inch back from the eyes, right between the eyes. Sitting nice and tall, we engage Muliana Bandha, the core, the pelvic floor, shoulders back and down. By pushing the heart through the shoulder space, create strength in our midsection. With an inhale, sweep the arms together, reaching high, touching the palms overhead. We exhale, hands down to prayer at heart center. If you would like to continue your meditation or your quiet time just to breathe and go inward, stay there. Hey you guys, if you loved that flow, let me know. Drop a heart in the comments or share it with your friends. If you would like to hang out with me more than just here, definitely reach out to me. If you're in the southern Indiana area, let's do yoga together, or you can always follow me on all social medias, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, of course Instagram. Namaste. Spread that love and light. Namaste.